Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Chrysler Voyager LXi. You can see with either one of the key fobs here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk cache. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch here and I flip it up and over. And I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Check that out. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. Also, if someone parks next to you in a side entry, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry and even full size. If you're looking for that, let me know. 800-pound weight capacity. We've got about 32 inches of width here with the ramp sets. Got about 56 inches of room coming inside the van, then right around 56 once you're inside the van. This has the extra long deep cut, and these Chryslers are about a foot longer than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you want a little extra length to haul a gurney or two chairs at a time, these Chryslers might be the answer for you. It's got the 8 tie-down points, so we can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. We can even put a third row seat that flips down in here. You could possibly haul 6 at a time, plus a wheelchair. It'll flip up out of the way when it's not in use. We can put flip base seats up here. They'll flip up on their sides. My point is, let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner's in great shape. You got plenty of cup holders in the back. Got the brand new upgraded Q strengths in here. Now, a lot of our competition, they try to sell you a van, then upgrade and make you buy tie downs on top of that, or they give you the crummy cheap tie downs and want you to upgrade to these. We throw them in at no charge to you, so be sure you're comparing apples to apples when you compare us. Got all your tie down warranty and instructions there as well. Real nice center console. Got all the cup holders for all your passengers in the rear as well. Got all your plug-ins for your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air controls. Got your backup camera there. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. And you got your steering wheel control. You can sync up your phone there. You're ready to roll. And you can also shut all the doors from up there up top of the center console. And when you get everybody secured, you come back out. You simply reverse the process. And our conversion, it comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. And what do you expect them to say? By the way, that's where our little spare tire is back there. I want to show that to you. But, you know, what do you expect them to say? They got to say, oh, we have the best conversion out there. That's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. They're probably going to tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some of them 3 years, 36,000 miles. You can pair that to our 3 years, unlimited miles. You tell me who has the better built conversion. As I do a walk around of the van, it's got the alloy wheels, Firestone tires, and it's about 9/32, so not far from new. A lot of tread left on them. Up front, they're about 8/32, so a little more tread on the rear, but both dang near very, very good condition on the tires. Got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. As I do the walk around of the van here, it's very clean. I'm looking for little dents or scratches in the van. I'm not going to sit here and portray it as perfect, but it is very clean. It's been very well taken care of. That's the advantage when you buy from us. I am the owner. I hand select every single one of our vehicles. A lot of these, I don't know how much you know about the car business, but most of the bigger businesses, they have somebody they called a buyer. They just go out and they get paid $200 or $300 every vehicle they buy. So they don't care if it's a clean title. They don't care if it's got a flood. They just want to collect that money for buying the vehicle. For me, I put my name on every single one of these. I'm very particular to what I buy. And you can tell by our videos, I am very thorough in everything I do. So no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. And you say, why would I get a video of the VIN number? Well, a lot of scammers out there. Facebook Marketplace is the absolute worst place for scamming. Be aware. But there's also a lot of other scammers out there. But this VIN number here, what these people are doing, taking pictures of our van, taking them from my website. They're cutting out our emblem up there up top, and they're selling them as their own, and they're selling them for like a third or a quarter of the price we're asking. Obviously, they're not really selling them because they don't have the vans. I do. but they're trying to get you to send them some money for a deposit. Once you send that money, they'll disappear off the face of the earth. So if you were to say to them, hey, whatever your name is on Facebook, I want you to send me a video of that VIN number with your name. Hey, my name's Jeremiah Coleman. This is my van. It's right here with me, and that proves I've got the van here with me. This is not a scam, so make sure you get a video of that VIN number. What I do with that VIN number, I run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before I buy it. You can see this one has had very minor damage. I'll show that to you. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no total loss, no structural damage. So this is not one of those super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title. Carfax shows the airbags have never deployed. Shows the odometer is accurate. As we scroll down here, it does show in March of 21, so 3 years ago, damage to the front, left front. Airbags did not deploy. Minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. Look, I'm not opposed to buying a vehicle that's had a bumper painted, had a little fender bender. I will not buy, airbag blown. I will not buy floods. I will not buy frame damage for the most part. So that's why I show you the Carfax so you know what you're getting. And also, Carfax shows this vehicle went into service August 25th of 2020. So it meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler until August 25th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reviews and ratings. Make sure they've got a good reputation. Find us on eBay. 1,513 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a pretty good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas, Mobility 316. Check out our 4.8 out of 5 star reviews. And I hear horror stories all the time. People buying from private individuals. They buy a vehicle that's stolen. Yes, people will sell stolen vehicles. You give them the cash for it. Once they police catch up to you, you have to give the vehicle back. You don't get your money back. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings up here, instead of our good rating like we have. The buyers didn't even bother getting online for 30 whole seconds to look up who they are buying from, look up their ratings. So, if you want those 1 and 2 and 3 star vehicles, go ahead and deal with the general public, deal with all the scammers online. You might be lucky to get away with a 1-star experience. But if you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, you want to avoid those flood damage, you want to avoid those salvage titles you weren't told about, give me a call. I look forward to working with you. Another great feature about this van, it's got the remote starting, so you hit that button twice there. The van will fire right up, so whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's winter and you want to come out to defrosted windows ready to go, you've got that option. Got the power driver's seat here, this black leather interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you're going to use this van commercially, for non-emergency medical transport, you can always hit the off button there, or just for anybody. Turn these doors manual, open and shut quickly. Time is money. Or if they ever start acting up on you, you can make them manual, get in and out with no issues. Just showing you the rear here of the van, also very clean. Just wanted to show you the second row of seats. You got your rear air controls over there. And another great feature I like about this van, it's got the push button start. So if these keys are in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to dig them out. You should get in here, push the push button start. Van fires up officially. You can see 54,624 miles. There's no dummy lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Have a real nice backup camera. Nice and big, easy to see there. And you can hear that radio works. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power, mirrors, windows and locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. I'm going to show you all the mirrors and the windows working. See that mirror moving up and down over there? Got our window back here, got this one over here. My point is, we go through over these vans very thorough. Tires, brakes, suspension, replace fluids as needed. I do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like a lot of people do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit our lot. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.5 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or any fluid leaks, no signs of any water stain, water damage from a flood, and no signs of any rust from being up north from the rust belt or anything like that. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 54,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, brand new car dealerships have floods. Brand new cars can be flooded. So any vehicle is susceptible to a flood. Anywhere water can get, it can be susceptible to a flood. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer, but I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online so I know I'm dealing with somebody reputable and honest? Do they show me a Carfax report so I can see the vehicle has never been in a bad accident, no frame damage or flood, and it's got a clean title? Do they get on their hands and knees and crawl on the ground and get detailed pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see there's no water damage under here? That frame's nice and straight. It's never been in a bad accident. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to thoroughness, and when it comes to reputation, I want you to compare me to the competition and tell me what happens if you end up dealing with somebody that's shady. You buy a vehicle from them, you can't get a title. You just bought a vehicle you can't even register, you can't even drive. Or what if the vehicle has frame damage from a bad accident or a flood and it won't pass inspection in your state? You just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things before you buy. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it, like I do every single vehicle. Demand them being thorough for you. Next, demand a Carfax report. Yes, I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax, but I do that because I truly mean this. I'm buying from your point of view. I want to buy vehicles with a clean title. I want to know the history of the vehicle before I buy it. So don't settle for anything less than a Carfax, not some cheap knockoff. Get the Carfax. Third, we talked about this. Get online. Find out who you're buying from. See what people are saying about them. Check their reviews and ratings. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer, all right? And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, we kept the conversion warranty on this van, and then also the powertrain warranty specs left from Chrysler. So do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Let's get the van out for a drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems, runs and drives very nice down the highway. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. And do keep in mind, we do have the specs for the powertrain warranty and the conversion warranty. We do offer long-term warranties that are bumper-to-bumper factory-type warranties. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you're excited about online, well, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they're sneaking in more money on the back end to try and get more money out of you, well, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, in attempts to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp, and you'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text message, here's a direct line. I am the owner to my cell phone, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. My name is Jeremiah. Reach out to me, call me, text me, let us know how we can help. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, and it's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, Sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there? And you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman? Give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. I try to be as detailed as possible so you know exactly what you're getting. If you feel up to it, give us a like here on YouTube. A thumbs up would help us out. Give us a follow if you'd like to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you do want to make an appointment to come in and see some vans, we would love that, but please make sure you make an appointment with us. We're very busy every second of the day, but we're happy to spend some time with you as long as you have that appointment. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today and have yourself a wonderful day.